Alright guys, here we are with a new game. It's called Broforce. It is not it's not realistic, but it's really fun and very hectic. We're gonna start this off now. Play offline. It's kind of like an arcade game. It's very different. Like, very, very different. Here we go. We're landing. Yeah, tiny helicopter. Okay, let's go. The controls are very simple. I think square is to shoot. Yeah, I've played this before. This is a new guy. No, never mind. I guess it's because I already met this guy before. Yeah. You progress and you can get through it when you do all this. And just get through it. I'm gonna try to get more than one chapter in. That's what I'm hoping to do. Going. Okay, and they're dead. Got a new guy. I don't know who this guy is. Oh, he's a sniper. Okay, I'll take it. He fires missiles. Okay, here we go. A new guy. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love these people. They're just insane. I told you this is just very, very hectic. Just exploding. Just. Okay, didn't get that one. There we go. Let's go. Ooh, that was close. Got it. No, he's dead. Oh, crap. Can I not get up there? Yeah, no, I doubt it. Okay. Oh, come on, fall. Oh no, I died! Oh, here's this guy. This is better. Perfect. New guy. Yes! Got it. I love this game so much. I rarely play it anymore though. It makes me feel bad. No! I got another one. Oh, alright, here we go. Perfect. No, don't do that, don't do that. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Saving the guy. Good. Don't kill me. Oh, he didn't. Here. Dead. Let's go save this guy. Okay, well here's the guy, here's the place we're supposed to be going to. Just more explosions in the background. He does, you know. I love this game. Don't kill me. He didn't. Yay. Oh crap, it's these guys. Bruisers! Yeah! Bruiser! No! Ooh. Okay, here we go. Shoot. Headshot. Boy! It's the end of this, like, this chapter. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Oh, it is. Tiny helicopter! I don't remember this one. Boy, dead. No, 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 no. Okay, I have a new guy. He is a flamethrower dude. Kill me. Thank you. Save him. Brogocop! Brogocop! That says Brogo, not Brogo. I'm having fun. Oh yeah, he's this kind. You charge him up. That's what he is. See? Nope. Dead. Bye. No, don't do it. No, oh, scared me. Let's go! No! Okay, let's go. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. No! New guy. Oh, Braid. I forgot his attack. He has a specialty. Your specialties are circle. Bye. You, like, your shots and which one's their shots. Chill. I love this game. Okay, here we go. Next chapter. No, never mind. Next mission. Boom, kaboom. What does this guy do? Oh, okay, that was a quick one. It was a sniper. Okay, this guy. Oh, here we go. Here's the guy I need. No! that was terrible. No! Who is this guy? We're Braid. That was a close one. Okay, I am. Oh God, 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 no! Ah! And I made it! Yes! Boom, 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 boom. I think in this chapter I actually face a attack chopper at the end. Maybe I forgot what it was because I haven't played this game in forever. Let me give you a hint. like, or a death or something. Something that's equivalent. Because honestly, I really don't remember. Thank you. New guy. Aw, it's this guy. It's Mr. Explodey. Oh, no. Just explode. Thank you. And this is... oh, okay. Of course, he's the one that kills me. Oh, here's the attack chopper. Of course, here we go. Oh, okay, that was easy. Let's go! Tag the checkpoint, yeah! Okay. That's gonna be the end of it here. I'll make another one if y'all really like this series. Bye, guys.